Now before we start drawing anything, we should go over to our File Page Setup tab here, and this is where we can set up our page scale. So let's choose a 1/4 inch equals 1 foot, and let's assume that we're going to be printing this out at 24 by 36. We'll select an architectural D size sheet. We'll make sure that we're portrait, which is easier to edit, and click OK, and then we've got our page set up ready to build. Now you may want to zoom in a bit, and this way it's a little easier to see this this ruler up top here. When we click on Building and House, we'll just, now if you notice here it snaps. If you wanted to take the snap off, you would click on this little snap toggle button here at the bottom. But we're going to leave it on because it helps maintain alignment, especially when you're building the house. So let's build our house 30 feet this way, and let's build it say 46 this way, and let's go over 40 this way, back over this way, and let's go back over this way and complete our house here. Now this is the shape that it will show on the sheet. Now if you want to reposition it, you can at this point. This is probably the best time to figure out what your distances are that you require for a driveway or patio, etc. And if you want to have a quick look at it on screen, we can see it right here. So this now is your 3D model, and if you notice here, we've got some edging on the side here. That's great if you're using wood trim, but we can turn that off here. We can also go to the Wall Material tab here, and we can automatically select some other type of stone.